In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a budget in Xero. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can quickly get your budget out of Xero and into a file you can share, analyze, or back up. Make sure you're already logged into your Xero account and that you have access to the organization whose budget you want to export. First, from your Xero dashboard, look towards the top navigation bar and find the menu labeled Reporting. This is where Xero keeps all of the tools related to your financial reports, including budgets. Click on Reporting to open the reporting area. Once you're in the reporting section, you'll see a few featured or commonly used reports. What we want is a full list, so look for the option called All Reports. Go ahead and click on All Reports. This will show you every report available for your organization, grouped into sections like Financial Performance, Financial Position, and so on. On this page, scroll or scan until you find a report called Budget Manager. This is the tool Xero uses to create, view, and manage your budgets. When you see Budget Manager, click on it. Xero will then load the budget screen, which may take a moment if you have a lot of data. Inside Budget Manager, you should see your budget laid out, typically with accounts down the side and months across the top. Before exporting, it's a good idea to quickly check that you're looking at the correct budget. Confirm the financial year, the tracking options, and the budget name if you use multiple budgets. Once you're sure this is the data you want, look for the export option on the screen. This is usually located near the top of the page, often alongside buttons like Copy, Import, or Print. Click on Export. After you click Export, Xero will present on-screen prompts to guide you through the export process. Follow these prompts carefully. You may be asked to choose a file format such as Excel or another spreadsheet format. Pick the format that best suits how you plan to use the data. You'll also typically confirm the date range or specific budget version you want to export based on what's already selected in Budget Manager. When you confirm your choices, Xero will generate the file and either download it automatically to your computer or ask you where to save it. Once the download is complete, open the file to make sure everything looks correct. You now have your Xero budget exported and ready to use outside the system.